Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create an account at the Adzuna application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the three dots at the bottom of the page on the right. Then click on login to your Adzuna account. Then at the top you can switch to create account. So here first just type your email. The second you have to type in a password, and you have to retype your password again to confirm it, and then just click on the green button that says create account, and your account will be created. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.